Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to show you a Dollar Tree haul. The first item that I'm going to show you, I've picked up some Brillo pads, not Brillo pads, but some Brillo towels, and they are called the Brillo Basic Towels. Yes, and you guys know that I'm going to start cleaning my house on video, hoping that it'll get you motivated to also clean yours. So I have another set of cleaning towels here, and you get 2 in a pack. Then I also picked up some shrimp egg rolls. I picked up 2 packs, and I also picked up 2 lobster's egg rolls. Yeah, I saw them, and my eyes was kind of big, so I decided to grab some egg rolls. So these are lobster egg rolls. Yes, lobster egg rolls. And next, I picked up some candle holders, saucers. Yes, because when I get ready to sit my candle down on the table, I just don't want to sit it on the surface itself because I don't want that surface to get hot. So I picked up a couple of candle holders. This will, protect your furniture. And then I also picked up some dusters, and you get 3 of them in a pack. Dusters, yes. And then I also picked up a can of Sure Scents spray, and it is in a Hawaiian scent. And then I picked up lavender fragrant oil. I picked up 2 of them, and that smells really good. And then I picked up some grapefruit juice, and y'all know I love my Donald Duck orange juice, and I had to grab one. Yes, my Donald Duck orange juice. I haven't had it in a while, but I picked some up. So I'm showing you that I got 2 packs of the lavender fragrant oil. And then in my next bag, I picked up 4 of the Stella candles, and I'm going to use these candles to make a candle. So I grabbed 4 of them, and they have different colors now. They have blue, white, and they also have lavender. I think that's all the colors that I saw. Yeah, so I picked up blue because I want to try to make the candle a dark blue. Okay? So these here is what I'm going to use to make my candle. And then I also found this candle jar from the American thrift store. So it was only $2.99. Yeah, I know I could have bought a candle at that price, but I want to try to make my own because I saw a YouTuber doing this as well. So I kind of picked this up, from her. So I'm going to try it, y'all. I'm going to make me a candle and place it in this jar. All right, stay tuned. So I am going to boil a pot of water, and I am going to place the candle jars over into the pot. So I should have boiled the water first before I place them over in it. I was showing you that I was going to also keep the candle stems as well. So I will go ahead and place 3 of the candle stems up into the jar that I got from the American thrift store. So I was trying to see, will 3 jars fill this jar here? I should have placed them all over in the pot, the 4th one. So 3 did pretty good. So now I'm showing you all that I am placing the stems up into the jar. So y'all, this is my first time doing this, and I believe if I do it again, I'll get better at it. So this is my first time trying to, make a candle. So stay tuned, you guys, and watch me make this candle. So what are you seeing me do here is that I'm trying to make the metal part stick to the glass. Yes, I'm trying to make it stick to the glass while it has wax on it so that it can not move when I pour the wax over into the glass. So I was hoping that it would work when I get ready to pour the wax over into the glass. And it will. Stay tuned. And here I am showing you a navy blue food coloring. So I'm adding it over into the candle wax. I was hoping that it would be a darker navy blue color, but it still came out like the candle did. So I tried, you guys. over into the refrigerator so that it can form quickly. So I placed it over in the refrigerator, and it did not take long to form. So here I am cutting the wick shorter, and see how quickly the wax formed. This is my candle, y'all. I wanted it a little darker, but that's okay. This will do. And y'all, the fragrance, it smells so good. It smells good, y'all. And at the bottom, you can see the food coloring that I mixed. So this is my first time, y'all. So I'll try it again. So y'all, this is my candle. And I am getting ready to light it. We're getting ready to light my candle. My first time really doing this. And another YouTuber encouraged me to, make this candle. So I did. And look at it, y'all. I can just smell the scent. It smells so good. And I also got it sitting on this table. See, I even got the candle sitting on the saucer, the candle holder saucer, see? And just look at it. Look at it. So y'all, I got this table here from Ross. I got it from Ross for $39.95. And these two velvet chairs, I got it off the Facebook Marketplace for $65 for both of them. Yes, for both of them. They wanted $100 for them, but I talked them down. So you guys, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified when I get ready to upload a video. Thank you all so much for watching. So come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. I hope you enjoy this little small haul and me making another candles from a candles. So thank you all. Thank you all so much again. Go ahead and subscribe now. Don't forget, after watching this video or watching at the end, go ahead and please subscribe. I would love to have you guys. Thank you so much. And you have a wonderful evening, day, or night. Bye-bye.